Toyota Glanza. Starlet. Glanza Starlet.
Starlet Glanza V.
Starlet Glanza V. Yes, V like as in victory, not 5 from Roman numbers, I guess, or something. Anyway, jokes aside, we done a lap 2 years ago with another Glanza V.
No, that was just the Starlet that I added the turbo on.
Ah, yeah. Which didn't go well because the car overheated like 1/4 of a lap, and it was kind of like. But now you're back with a new car, with an actual Starlet Glanza V. And lots of mods. First of all, bigger turbo as far as I could feel because we already done a lap. Grippier tires, Toyo RAAA tires. Some better brakes, I think.
6-piston brakes.
6-piston brakes, big brake kit for such a small car. And different seats, nice interior as well. And overall, quite a good car and setup. So, don't forget your key from the back. Yeah, there you go.
Thank you.
Very big exhaust as well. Very fabricated license plate. Very nice. But jokes aside, it was a fantastic drive. We've done a lap. We had like 3 yellow flags or so. Everyone's very excited for the full weekend, for the track being open the full weekend. But there is no need to send it immediately on a Friday. Have I ever crashed on Friday? I think maybe just on Friday practice, so yeah. Anyway, otherwise it would be very hypocrite of me to tell people not to crash on a Friday, you know. Anyway, I think it was good. Well, can we see under the bonnet, maybe? Because then we can see what's what. It was quite nice. Power-wise, what would it be like? 250, 200? Oh, nice. Yeah. Yeah, kava. Very, very nice. Oh, look at that spaghetti. Don't touch my spaghetti. It's a bit brighter. Very nice. All kinds of like turbos. 4-cylinder, it's 1.6 or
1.3.
1.3. Damn, it's even smaller than the Yaris GR. Yeah. No, fantastic. Good whistles, good blows, good everything. Is that D2 or what?
No, drag and drift. I have no idea.
Well, it worked. So. Cannot complain. It worked. The car was driving straight and it was making turns when I was asking it to. So very good job. Fantastic to see that you have now a working car after 2 years. So yeah, thanks a lot, and see you next time.
Yeah.
And you guys enjoy the lap. Everything's in sport mode, TC is off, ESP is off. Never was there in the first place,
no.
But alright.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah, because we've done a full lap. Everything is there. Oil pressure is there. Temperature is good. Oil temp didn't go above 110, I think. Or
that's
100.
fine. No, that's fine.
So super good. Everything is fabulous. Brakes were good. Turbo feels a bit big for track use.
Yeah.
There's still a bit of lag.
Does, yes.
But otherwise, all is good.
But that's also like kind of fun, I think. Like
yeah. I mean, it's a different way of driving for sure. So yeah, that's kind of it. For everyone watching this and asking why are you skipping the line? Well, first of all, in rules of traffic, you always need to merge. So you go to the two things, and then you have like what's it called, a zipper thing. But on the Nürburgring, you have 3 lanes. You have on the right, you have the new exit from this year, which is closed now during the weeknights. The left lane is to get off the track, and the right lane is go to the car park. So all of this lane is to get off the track, and the right ones wants to see if they can have a spot in the car park. So we are not skipping lines, we're just taking the line to get off. That's all there is to it. Yeah. Guess now we vibe.